It's July 2nd, 2018. And here's a couple interesting units I got from Bill's world famous electronic surplus store. Remember, Bill says, fix it, don't scrap it. Anyway, got two units here. One is this unit. It's a Tektronix 2215. This one is completely dead. It has the usual, switch mode power supply. It tries to start, click, 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 the usual, but it's dead. And this is the 2215, not the 2215A. So this has that goofy power supply in it with a Triac pre-regulator in it. This second unit kind of works, but it's got an interesting problem. As you can see here, the autofocus doesn't work. You can't focus it at all. And what's interesting is I can position it both vertically. The horizontal position works. Okay. And the trace is basically a large rectangle that goes from left to right here. When I apply a signal from a function generator, you can see I'm applying a sine wave. So the input, the attenuators, the vertical amps are working okay. Horizontal, it's triggering fine. Problem is it won't focus. So next step is to figure out why. I did measure all the power rails. They're all within limits. The ripple is okay. It's all, just maybe 4 millivolts or less. But we can't seem to focus the beam. So it's time to go in and take some measurements, which will be next. Okay, this unit's now repaired. Can demonstrate here. Turn the time base, speed up the time base, apply signal from the generator here, increase the frequency. Might help if we trigger on channel 1. What I found was a problem is in the focus circuit here on the schematic, there's a voltage divider that comes off of the negative 2000 volt supply. It's a long string voltage divider that goes through a number of 1 meg resistors down to this autofocus pot, and R880 and R881 were open, so they feed to grid 4 of the CRT here. Replaced those and it brought the thing back to life. So this unit is repaired. I'm going to check the calibration of it. It has a calibration tag on it. Both of these, they go back into the early 90s, so they haven't been calibrated in a while. So next repair will be to work on this one. It's another 2215. This one is completely dead, but it should be a fairly easy repair. Probably I've got a bad cap problem in the power supply. And like I say, this unit here has that really weird pre-regulator circuit in it using this Triac. The upgraded version of this, the 2215A, had a better power supply. It used a specialized IC for the switch mode supply here. So this was an earlier version. Anyway, these are nice scopes. They're 60 megahertz scopes and analog scopes, which I like. So anyway, that's it for today. So long for now.